Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the grammar work, and the topic for today is one and more than one. Children, the things around us, they can be one or more than one. For example, this pen. How many pen can you see? One. So it is one pen. Now here you can see more than one pen. So how many are there? How many can you see? Two. So we will say two pens. Similarly, this is one spoon. And these are more than one spoons. Okay, so how many are there? There are 3 spoons. Now children, to show that there are many things, what do? We add S or ES to the naming words. Now open page number 11 of your grammar book. So children, to show that there are many things, we add S or ES to the naming words to show that there are many things. Like for example, look here. This is one car. But if there are more than one, what will we say? We will say 2 cars. Now here what have we done? We have added S to the word car to make it more than one. Similarly, here it is one boat. Now in the next picture you can see more than one boats. There are many boats shown here. So here again we will add what? We will add S to the word boat to show that they are more than one. So if it is one, we will say one boat. If it is more than one, we will say boats. Okay, let's have a look at some more examples. Desk. One desk. And if there are more than one, like here there are how many? 1, 2, 3. There are 3. So we will say 3 desks. Then one candle, and here as you can see there are many candles. So we will call them. Let's count first. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 candles. So to make or to show that there are many things, we add S to the naming words. So by adding S, we are showing that they are more than one. Now to some naming words, we add ES. To show that they are more than one. Now these include the naming words which are ending in S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. Okay, so words which have S, double S, CH, SH, X and O as the last letter. To such words we add ES to make them more than one. So children, वो words जो end हो रहे हैं किन letters में? S में, double S में, CH, SH, X and O. इनको अगर हमें more than one show करना है, then what will we add? We will add ES. Like here, one bus. But if it's more than one, then we will add ES and we will say 2 buses. Similarly, one bench. The word bench is ending in ch. So what will we add? We will add es to make it more than one. Now here also the word is fox. It is ending with the letter x. So again we will add what? We will add es to make it many. Then we have the word glass ending with double s. So here also we will put what? We will put es to make it many. One brush. Brush is ending with the word sh. So brush is ending with the letters sh. So if we have to show more than more than one brush, then we will say, or we will add es to it, and we will call it brushes. Like here we have 4 brushes. Next is mango. One mango. And here we can see more than one. So we will, and the word is ending with o, so we will add es to it, and we will say 5 mangoes. Now come to page number 12. Exercise C. Add s or es to make them many. First word is wall. So if it is one, we'll call wall. If it is more than one, we will add s to it and we will write walls. Next, tomato. Tomato is ending with o, so we will add es to it and it will become tomatoes. Next, watch. It is again ending with ch, and we have learned that the words with end with ch, we add es to them to make it many. So here it will be watches. Class, again it will be classes because it is ending with double s. Fox, foxes. It is ending with x, so we have to add es to it. Next, brush. Brushes. Why are we adding es? Because the word is ending with sh. Next is monkey. Now monkey, many will be monkeys. Only s will be added. Kite. Again we'll add only s. Nurse. Only s will be added. Nurses. Branch. Now here you can see that the word is ending with ch, so we'll add es to it and it will become branches. Then there are some naming words which end in f or fe. So we change the f or fe to ves to make it more than one. जो वर्ड्स एफ ई में एंड हो रहे हैं या फिर एफ में एंड हो रहे हैं उनको मैनी बनाने के लिए व्हाट डू? वी चेंज दीज लेटर्स एफ और एफ ई इनटू वी ई एस एंड देयरबाय दे बिकम मैनी. सो इन वर्ड्स में हम ना एस ऐड करते हैं ना ई एस ऐड करते हैं. व्हाट डू? वी जस्ट चेंज द एफ और एफ ई into V-E-S. Like the word knife. Knife is ending with the letters F-E. And to make it many, we will remove this F-E and we will change F-E into V-E-S. And the many of knife is knives. Second is one leaf. Now leaf is again ending with the letter F, and to make it many we will put VES instead of F. So we will take L, E, A and then we will write V, E, S. So one leaf, many leaves. Next is one thief. Thief is again ending with the letter F. So instead of this F, we will write V-E-S. So one thief, many Thieves. Many thieves. Next is one loaf. Now again the word loaf is ending with F. So this F will be changed to VES. So we will take the first three letters as it is. LOA, and then we will write VES. Many loaves. Next, one wolf. Wolf again ends with the letter F, and if we have to make it into many, we will change this F into VES. तो हम F हटा देते हैं और F की प्लेस पर we put VES. So one wolf, many wolves. Then children, there are some words which end in Y. Like the word baby. Baby is ending with the letter Y. Similarly, lady, lily, fairy, story, all these words are ending with the letter Y. Now, for these words which are ending in Y, to make them more than one, what do? We change the Y to IES. So, Y will be changed to what? IES, to make it many. So, here it is one baby. And if we have to show many, then many babies. Can you see Y here? No. Y is changed to IES. So, the word will be BABIES, babies. Next word is lady. One lady. Now, Y has to be changed to IES to make it many. So, LAD, and instead of Y, we will write IES, ladies. Next, one lily. Lily again is ending with the letter Y. So, for many, we will write LILIES, many lilies. Next, one fairy. If it is one, we will call it fairy. But if it is many, then Y will be changed to, think children? Yes, IES. So, one fairy, many fairies. FAIRIES. Next, one story. Now here again, we'll change the Y to IES. So, one story, many stories. STORIES. So, children, we have learned 4 things today. And they are: to some naming words, we add S to make them many. And to some naming words, we add ES to make them many. And then, some naming words which end in F or FE, what do we do to them? We change the F or FE to VES. And then, those naming words which end in Y, to make them many, we change the Y to IES. I hope you have understood the topic. That's all for today. Thank you.